Salmon is a highly prized fish in the global seafood market, celebrated for its rich flavor, high nutritional value, and versatile culinary uses. It is an anadromous fish, which means it migrates from the ocean to freshwater rivers to spawn, primarily found in the northern hemisphere. As demand for salmon continues to grow, its trade has become a major industry, with frozen salmon forming a significant portion of global exports. The low-pressure system in the value pump orients whole fish in a movement that replicates their movement in the wild, which gently and efficiently evacuates blood from the tissue, often supported with a Filtrex filtering system to minimize new resource uptake and waste disposal costs. The gut cleaning process is an important step in fish processing, ensuring the removal of internal organs, maintaining hygiene, and preserving the quality of the fish for consumption or further processing. After the fish are thoroughly cleaned, they are carefully transferred to a cold storage facility, where the temperature is meticulously controlled to maintain optimal freshness and quality. This process ensures the fish are well preserved and ready for the next critical step, which is hygienic and efficient packaging. The process of packing salmon into containers not only ensures the safety of the product during transportation, but also preserves its quality, freshness, and nutritional value. This is a crucial step in the supply chain, contributing to delivering high-standard products to customers. Whole salmon are transferred from the cold storage area to the processing zone. Workers carefully inspect the fish to ensure they meet the required standards before proceeding with processing. The fish must be fresh, undamaged, and free from discoloration. The temperature of the fish is consistently maintained between 0 degrees Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius. The automatic cutting blade slices along the backbone, separating the fish into 2 fillets. The fillet meat is then neatly trimmed automatically to remove excess edges, ensuring the fillets have a uniform and appealing shape. After separation, the 2 fillets are transferred to a conveyor belt for sorting. Workers inspect the quality of each fillet to ensure standards are met, rejecting any fillets that do not meet quality requirements, sorting fillets by size, weight, or specific customer requirements. Cod is one of the important fish species in the seafood industry. Cod meat, white, tender, low-fat, and highly nutritious. It is a common ingredient in culinary dishes, such as the famous fish and chips. Cod liver, a rich source of fish oil, containing high levels of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins A and D. Cod is widely harvested and processed into various products, such as frozen, smoked, or canned. Cod primarily live in cold waters, especially in northern seas such as the North Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Bering Sea, the waters surrounding Japan, Canada, Norway, and Russia. On each fishing trip, a vessel can catch between 15 to 20 tons of cod, depending on various factors such as the type of vessel, fishing duration, operating area, and legal regulations. Welcome everyone to the cod processing production line. Cod are gutted by workers to remove internal organs, after which the fish are transported via the production line to the automated sorting section. After sorting, the cod are transferred into special tanks for cleaning blood and impurities. These tanks are designed in a spiral shape, creating a flow that ensures the fish are thoroughly cleaned. This process typically takes about 15 minutes. After cleaning, the automated system moves the cod to cooling tanks. These tanks are temperature controlled at 0 degrees Celsius to prevent the fish from freezing, ensuring optimal conditions before they are transferred to the packaging area. This stage typically takes 45 to 60 minutes. Once the cod reach the required temperature, they are transported via conveyor belts to the packaging area. Each box is packed by workers with a weight of 300 kilograms. The cod are consistently kept at a stable temperature of -1 degree Celsius throughout the process. Cod liver is a valuable byproduct of the cod processing industry, offering significant nutritional and economic benefits. Cod liver oil extraction. Cod liver is widely used to produce cod liver oil, a nutrient-rich product consumed globally. This oil has high commercial value and is used in the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and cosmetics industries. Premium canned product. Cod liver can be canned as a gourmet food item, particularly popular in European, American, and Asian markets. It is highly regarded for its delicious flavor and health benefits. Cod is maintained at a stable temperature of -1 degree Celsius to preserve freshness and inhibit bacterial growth. The fish containers are transported to the processing area using specialized vehicles, ensuring the temperature remains consistently below 0 degrees Celsius. In the processing area, the cod is fed into automated machines that fillet the fish into 2 pieces. These machines simultaneously remove bones and skin, ensuring the fish is neatly and cleanly prepared. Workers carefully inspect the fish portions after they pass through the machines, removing any leftover scraps or residual bones. The fish is fed into cutting machines to be divided into equal portions, tailored to consumer demands. These portions are then carefully packaged, ready for storage or transportation. The Flash Pack Automatic Sardine Packaging Machine, an optimal solution for the industrial sardine processing and packaging industry. The Flash Pack is designed to fully automate the entire process of handling and packaging sardines or similar types of fish. With advanced technology, the machine not only boosts productivity, but also ensures consistent product quality. The machine's operating process includes: Step 1. Cutting off the fish's head and tail using sharp, precise blades. Step 2. Removing the entrails with a modern vacuum pump system. Step 3. Cleaning the fish thoroughly before moving to the packaging stage. Finally, the fish are neatly arranged into cans, ready for the subsequent cooking process. The machine can achieve a speed of up to 200 cans per minute, depending on the size of the fish and the packaging format. Notably, the system requires the involvement of 14 to 16 workers to ensure efficient operation. The Flash Pack Automatic Sardine Packaging Machine not only minimizes manual labor, but also enhances productivity and product quality. It is the top choice for businesses in the food processing industry.